How to make a beautiful paracord bracelet, the Wolf Buanzu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. This is the trailer for our Patreon exclusive video tutorial of this beautiful paracord bracelet designed by our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550. So I will post the Pavel's Instagram profile link down below in the description box of this video, so make sure to check Pavel's Instagram. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet, you can do so by supporting us over the Patreon, and there you can find many other useful tutorials as well. So that being said, I wish you all just best, stay safe, be well and enjoy.